cylinder head machine assembly bench on the ground. We're gonna take this thing apart right here.
Here, these little ones don't hit the new valve. It could definitely be worse.
Oh, look at it, so sad. He's so sad.
Oh no!
We call that when she misses on the re-entry.
People in the center console from emotional support or lucky. Probably not lucky though.
It's a little crack between the intake and exhaust valve on cylinder 4. It's still runnable, but we're gonna have to take the head back off again when we get home. Probably replace it, unfortunately. It's not great, but it'll do.
It's looking pretty good. I feel like another probably like 30, 40 minutes. We should be cranking up.
You guys love racing yet?
We love racing.
Oh, we do.
I just love taking apart engines at the track.
We have so much time to do this right now. We might gonna take all apart again, just to check it, just to check back in.
Actually, this really intimidates the competition, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Really spooks
it's
them.
It's a mind game now.
Yeah, it really is.
Inside on pole. What are we going to see down in the Big Bend? That's going to be a dice roll, I think.
Aggression. We've seen it so far.
Exactly.
We'll see it again. Gridlife Touring Cup Race 3A at Lime Rock Park. One of the most historic courses in North America hosts Gridlife Circuit Legends.
It'll be fun to watch through the pack starting 26th. Be the 241 of Tyler Pappas, and then the 27th will be the 330 of Eric Magnuson right there.
Green flag, and we're underway again at Lime Rock Park.
Out in a little bit of a nose ahead here but Matan really good at going right to the apex, and he pins it down there. He's got the inside. Oh, is that a little touch? And then look at this battle coming to the line. I mean, we've got great battles everywhere. Oh, what a fun race.
There just outside the top 10.
Ooh, big rotation. I wasn't sure who that was, but got that car all crossed up. Right there, that middle car coming down the hill, just working really hard. And then
climbing. The intensity is here. One last race for GLTC at Gridlife Circuit Legends. A green flag. We're racing at Lime Rock Park.
Hecker timed
Back if he wants a chance. Paul Darling squeezes through past Rosenberg, but Matan is trying to make moves here and drive away from James Houghton. That's the weekend in the balance.
Houghton has dropped back noticeably here, so that's a real issue for him at this stage. He just did not get a great start here, as Matan did. Got a problem.
Trouble for Matan Rosenberg.
I think he's got a cut tire, maybe.
He does. He had contact with Lonnie Vidoc leaving turn 4. That was all it took. Cut the tire, and that's the weekend potentially over.
Wow.